Hello everyone, this is Sergio for PySource.com, and I'm going to show today how the martingale system works, and most important, is it really possible to win using the martingale system? So here you see on the screen the roulette, the European roulette, and let's explain shortly how the martingale system works. So basically you decide bet size, so we say bet size equals €1 and your bankroll, so the money that you have to start with, and each time you bet €1. For example, we choose the red color, we are going to bet every time €1 on the red color. If we win, we keep betting €1 on the red. If we lose, we double the amount of the bet size so that we can recover the loss and still win €1. Probably it's not that simple like by my explanation, but if I show you an example, so let's say that we bet €1 on the red and we win, so we have €101. Then again we bet €1 on the red, but black gets extracted, so we lose, and so we have 100, and in this case we have to double the amount, so we bet €2. Let's say that, for example, we lose again, and so from 100 we go to 98, and what now? We have to double the amount again, so from €2 to 4. Let's say that we lose again, so 98 minus 4, and it is 94, and we have to double again, so €8, and this time the red gets extracted and we win, so 94 plus 8, €102, and so we recover with the last bet, with this one, all the previous loss, and not also we recovered the loss, but we won €1. And now we should keep betting again €1, and if we win, 103, and so on. And the thinking about martingale system behind this system is the fact that it is really unlikely that the same color gets extracted for many times in a row, like for 6 or 7. It's really unlikely, so at some point you will recover all your losses and you will win. So let's show this one in Python. So let's make a simulation. This is PyCharm with Python. If you don't know what it is and how to use it, check the link in the description. So let's first define numbers equals. In this case we are defining all the numbers that the roulette has, so from 0 to 37, so we will be 0, 1, 2, 3 until to 36, not 37, 4 and so on. But to make it simpler, I'm going to say to use a for loop, I for I in range 37, and let's print our numbers. And here we have basically the roulette. So what now? We need to know which are reds and which black. So reds, I don't really know. I'm going to copy them. So the reds are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 30, 32, 34, 36, and black 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 31, 33, 35. So we should have, if it is right, 18 numbers here and 18 numbers here. Let's check if it's right. So print the length of the reds, and I have 18, and then the blacks, 18. So this one is correct. And now we are going to randomly extract one of this number, like if we have the ball in the real roulette and choosing one number. So for E in range, and 10 in this case is the number of extraction, so I'm going to extract 10 numbers. We will change this number later when we want to make more simulations. So extracted number equals, and now when I need a function to generate a random number, so I'm going to import random, and random integer from 0 to 36. So let's try this one. Let's print extracted number, and here we have 10 number from 0 to 36. So I make this bigger. We don't need to see the roulette, at least for the moment. And actually we don't really care to know the number, but we care about the color. So let's say if extractor number in reds, color equals red, and if extractor number in blacks, color equals black, else color we can say non black. So what it is doing now, so first we get the number, so let's print the number, let's print it here, print extracted number, and then this part here checks if this number it is red, black, or none, if in case it is the 0, which is neither black neither red. And so color, and here we have red, black, black, red. So we have basically the code that runs our roulette. What now? Now we can start applying we can start betting simply. So let's make a comment, let's call it martingale. Martingale system starts from this part, and so let's say that we want to bet each time on the red. So if color is red, then our bankroll is plus or equals bet size, else bankroll, so else it means we lost, so we are going to remove the money from our bankroll, bet size. So we need to define bankroll and bet size, and we're doing that here. We first define starting bankroll, and let's say now 100 euro, and then starting bet size 1 euro, and then bankroll equals starting bankroll and bet size equals starting bet size. Simply, why do we need this? We need this because during our simulations the bankroll is going to change if we win or we lose, and the same for the bet size, as we're going to double it if we lose, and we're going to using the starting bet size again if we win. So we need to know where we started and what is going on after we started. And so after this, let's print, and at the end print my bankroll is bankroll and euro. So let's run this code. My bankroll is 102 euro, 100 euro, 96. So what now? Now we want to know if we won or if we lost. So let's say if bankroll minus starting bankroll is greater or equals 0, so if it's positive, print you won, and then again bankroll minus starting bankroll euro, and else print you lost bankroll minus starting bankroll and then euro. So this our code is running properly, and this is not yet martingale because we are betting each time 1 euro, if doesn't matter if we lose or not. So we are going to apply right now the martingale system. So as we said before, if red get extracted, it means that we win. So for now we'll leave this one. If red doesn't get extracted, it means that we lost. So in this case the bet size is going to double up, so pair or equals 2. And if we win, bet size equals starting bet size. These two lines are enough to apply our martingale. So let's run our simulation for just 10 extractions, and let's see. The first one we won 4 euro, second one we lost 12 euro, we lost 4 euro, we won 3 euro, 7 euro, and so let's change something here. Let's do it with 100 extraction. You won 50 euro, again you won 44 euro, you won. It looks like we are always winning. Why? Because there is something missing in the code. We are not stopping if we don't have any more money, so it's not realistic. In real life, if we don't have any money, we cannot bet anymore. Here I'm saying starting from 100, but even if it's get negative, it keeps betting, and at some point it recovered the loss. So let's add a simple line. If bankroll minus bet size is less or equals, no, let's say just less than 0, print your money, you don't, no, let's say you don't have sufficient money to cover the next bet. So what is, in this case we are checking how much money we have and what's the bet size. So if we need, for example, if we have 50 euro and the bet size is 49 euro, so in this case it's bankroll 50 minus 49 will be 1, so we have enough money, we can still running. If we have 50 euro and the bet size is 60 euro, we are going to be minus 10, so we can do that. So we don't have sufficient money to cover the next bet, and we are going to stop here and break the loop. And let's run this one. Luckily we won even now. Okay, now you lost 58 euro, you lost 84 euro, you lost 39, 53. So now it's much more real. But what if, let's say we have more money, let's say we have 1000 euro. In this case we won 45 euro, you won 49, you won 49, 37, and you can see that the range is always the same, from like 35 euro to 50, like oh, it lost to around 50. The amount is the same for 100 extractions. What if with 1000 extractions? Again, 1000 extraction, it's already enough to lose most of the time. You lost 503 euro, you lost, you won, lost, won, lost. And as you will notice, the more you play, the bigger are the chances to lose all the bankroll. Doesn't matter how much you have. And you could try this code with different numbers, different simulation. And we need to say that 1000 is the maximum, even because the casinos online don't allow you to bet more than 1000 euro. Most of them 500, some of them 1000. I don't know if any of them allows you to do more than 1000. But even if it's more, even if it's 10,000 euro, if you had 10,000 euro, let's say you won 465. Look, oh, after just 3000 extraction, you lost 8,000 euros. So I hope this is clear to explain the martingale system. And one more thing. Okay, before explaining, it will be perfect, the martingale system, if there was no limit in your bankroll and in the bet size. In that case, you will always win for sure. So it will be without this break, and you can see you will always win. But in the real life, there is a limit. So with 10,000 extraction, it's really likely that you are going to lose almost all the times. Probably, okay, because we are using 10,000 euro, it's a lot. Let's say with 1,000 euros we are going to lose almost all the time, and 10,000 extractions are not even that much. This is the code, and please leave me a feedback on the description if it's clear, if it's not clear, and any question that you have. Thank you.